Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs Leeman, and I'm going to read a book about trees. It's called A Grand Old Tree by Mary Newell de Palma. Once there was a grand old tree. Her roots sank deep into the earth. Her arms reached high into the sky. What are her arms? What are they called? Called limbs, aren't they? She was home to many creatures. Birds nestled among her branches. Squirrels scurried through her leaves. Caterpillars and ladybugs crawled about. The grand old tree flowered. The pretty flowers on there. Bore fruit, which means it had fruit like apples or cherries. What other fruit could there be? Peaches? And sowed seeds. She had many children. She considered the seeds her children. They changed the landscape for miles around, perhaps even farther than the old tree knew. See, birds would take her seeds, and they'd fly them away, and then they'd land, and then they'd grow another tree. The grand old tree lived a long, long time. She basked in the sun, bathed in the rain, swayed in the breeze, and danced in the wind. She grew and shed. Finally, she fell, and snow gently covered her. The old tree died. She no longer flowered, bore fruit, or sowed seeds. But she was still home to many creatures. Raccoons nestled in her trunk, centipedes crawled along her branches, and lichen grew on her bark. See the raccoon in there hiding? The grand old tree slowly crumbled, and she became part of the earth. Today, the roots of her grandchildren sink deep into this earth. Their arms reach high into the sky. Her tree limbs. They are home to many creatures. Just like the grand old tree. The end. All right, thank you. See you next time.